Welcome to Python Basics. So you're interested in learning Python? Good choice. As I'm sure you know, Python is exploding as one of the top programming languages, mostly because it's simple and it lets you get your work done in a hurry. Python is everywhere, and you'll see it being used for data analysis, machine learning, DevOps, and web development. Alta3 Research is awesome at Python training. This course is geared towards beginners. So you will learn how to get started with the basics of Python programming, and that includes all foundational aspects of the Python language, an overview of the standard library, as well as popular third-party libraries. All of these Alta3 Python lessons include everything that you need to get you up and running, starting out from basic variables and loops, all the way up to objects, classes, and source code version control. The Python Basics course layout is logical, and it's organized to suit any student from any background. This course is all about labs, providing an interactive environment that keeps you engaged and focused on the course. You will receive your own browser-based lab environment, which means that there's nothing to download, there's nothing to set up, and it's all highly secure. Our instructors, they're thorough, they're comprehensive, and they're devoted to making each course relevant to the audiences that we teach. If you want to learn, then we want to teach you, and you get to choose the option that works best for your time and budget. We've taught thousands of students in the US and across the world, and I hope that you are one of them. I look forward to seeing you in class.
This video is brought to you by Alta3 Research. We offer training solutions both on-site and online so that you can choose the method that works best for you. If you like this video, check out the links in the description box below for more information on our course offerings. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.